everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over a great drone effect that will easily catch viewers' attention. And if you are interested in any type of post-production, editing, and Final Cut Pro, here's the channel, so consider subscribing. Alright, so what we're going to start off with right now is we are going to first go to the transform tool right here, and we are going to add a keyframe to the scale and to the position. And we're just gonna go ahead and zoom in on one of these cars right here. So just gonna zoom in on one of these cars and go even closer. And after that, we are going to move up a little bit in the timeline, about, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames. Okay, so we're gonna go 10 frames into the timeline and add 100. And you can put this back to 0. You could put this back to 0 as well. So now what we have so far is just that, a nice camera effect. Now that we have that, we're gonna add our zoom blur. So go to blur on the effects and zoom. And now we are going to add a shape mask. So we're gonna go to this little icon right here and add a shape mask, and we are going to invert this shape mask. So hit that icon again and then invert. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a keyframe to the shape mask, and we're gonna add a keyframe to the amount. So as this comes out and goes slow, you can adjust the shape mask to make it smaller, to emphasize the blur around the cars. So let's see how this looks so far. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, now when it comes out to the full screen right here, we are going to turn the blur all the way down. So we're gonna turn this amount all the way down. Now let's see how this effect looks. Press done. Looks pretty good so far. And we can actually, let's actually reset this and add another keyframe. And we can actually drop it down right here. Okay, so let's see how this looks now. That looks real good. You can change the speed of it, so you can press Command R and make this go faster or slower or anywhere you want it to go. It's just an awesome drone effect for Final Cut Pro. And for sticking around for the whole video, I'm gonna give you guys an extra link to drone stock footage in the description. And in this link, you will have stock footage from pretty much a lot of the major cities. So if you look at the link in the description, you will see that drone stock footage there. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you for tuning into the channel, and I will see you guys soon.